Buddha quotes. Buddha's words of wisdom have stood the test of time on a number of broad topics. Wrong is wrong, even if everybody is doing it. Right is right, even if no one is doing it. You can't become who you want by remaining who you are. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Nirvana is when you are finally able to release yourself from all of your sufferings. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. In the sky, there is no distinction of east and west. People create distinctions out of their own minds and then believe them to be true. The mind is like water. When it is turbulent, it is difficult to see. When it is calm, everything becomes clear. Anyone can say they care, but watch their actions, not their words. If you cannot find peace within yourself, you will never find it anywhere else. Always the wrong person teach the right lesson of life. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us when we live. like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please press round button to subscribe. Your comments and suggestions are welcome.